Put onion, tomatoes, garlic, salt, red chili, turmeric powder, chili flakes, and 1 cup of water in pressure cooker and bend the lid and give pressure for 8 minutes after whistle on medium to low heat. You can use any pot for this recipe. Put off the flame and release the pressure carefully. All things have softened. Now mash all things carefully and dry water. Add chicken mince and mix it with material and cooking oil and stir fry. The mince well is essential for the authentic tasting mince. When oil leaves the edges, add peas and stir fry for 5 minutes. Now add 1 cup of water so that it cooks and remains soft and juicy but not too much to make it watery or soggy. Now bend the lid again and give it pressure for 5 minutes after whistle. Release the pressure and towards the end, the water content will have naturally dried up. Peas must maintain shape but also break easily when pressed between your fingers. Stir in the peas, add capsicum and stir for 2 minutes. Add butter or ghee and just mix. At the end, add green chili and cover the lid for 1 to 2 minutes. Dish out the curry. Curry is ready.